Now that you learned how to import Mnova documents, let's take the next step and see how you can explore their contents using Python in Mnova. Mnova provides the Mnova document module, which gives you powerful tools to access and interact with your documents. With the document plugin object, you can grab the active document in the application and from there dive into each page and every item on those pages. Let's walk through how this works in practice. First, we'll import the document plugin class from the Mnova document module. Next, let's define our main function and set up the document plugin object. Initialize the document plugin object. Now, we'll try to get the active document. If there isn't one, we'll let the user know and stop the script. Get the active document. If we do have an active document, we can start exploring its structure. Let's loop through each page in the document and print out some information. Iterate through the pages in the document. For each page, we can go even deeper and look at all the items it contains. Let's print the name of each item on every page. Access each item on the page. And as always, don't forget to add the standard Python entry point so your script runs when executed. By running this script, you'll be able to navigate through the structure of your Mnova documents, accessing every page and every item within those pages. This is a great way to automate document analysis, extract information, or even build custom workflows right inside Mnova. Give it a try and see how much more you can do by combining Python with Mnova's powerful document model.